All right, well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about putting up hay. And now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by now with more.
We love Wednesdays because that means Common Ground Day, and we have recipes to share. This one is from Karol Swan. It's already on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Is this a family recipe, one you found?
This is one my mom made. My mom she cooked for us, but this one was like her star recipe.
Her star recipe.
Kind of her star recipe.
All right.
And so we just start with a layer. I love using just fresh carrots, and start with a layer of fresh carrots. And
is there a name for this, Karol?
I don't know. Carol's favorite, because
Carol's favorite recipe.
I make it all the time.
I like it.
And then I mix salt, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder, and just kind of sprinkle it over there. And then if you want to take the potatoes and right there and just kind of layer them in. And you don't have to peel the potatoes if you don't want to. In fact, you don't even have to peel your carrots if you don't want to.
Just kind of spread them around.
Yeah, just kind of spread them around.
Perfect.
And then some more. And then we'll do the onion. Kind of layer the onion there.
Okay.
And do it that way. So this is why it's so easy.
It's almost like a roast in a way.
Yeah, you can just kind of do it.
The vegetables that are used.
Yeah, and then put the rest of it on there. And then I just kind of take, 2 pounds if you do it. This is like half a recipe, but 2 pounds of ground beef if you have 8 by 10. This is a pound here that I browned, and I use just 85/15. It's a little less expensive than.
Yeah, it is, and you can still get that grease off of there.
You can still get the grease off, and then you top it with your favorite cream soup. I use cream. Got to see what I have today.
Cream of
chicken, because I used cream of chicken, cream of celery. I didn't use cream of mushroom too much because the people that eat it, they don't always like cream of mushroom.
Oh, really? That's always the standard.
It's always
those three: celery, chicken,
yeah.
and
It's
mushroom.
just the preference is the celery or the chicken. Just spread it around. Then I cover it up with foil, and it takes about an hour to cook to get the carrots done. Because
that makes sense.
Yes, and then you can make it ahead of time, and then if you put it in the oven, you want to cook it a little longer after you take it out of the refrigerator. You can freeze the cooked ones. It freezes really, really well for that day when you need a food and you don't have any, and you pull it out of the freezer. Like I said, this would easily feed 2 of us for 2 days. We get 2 meals out of it. But you know, the big 9 by 13, you can feed your family if you got you know, the sports-minded kids that eat a lot.
Oh yeah, you gotta have the protein, the vegetables, it's all in there.
Yeah.
Good stuff. All right, and this recipe is on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page and on my Facebook page if you want to copy it down. Karol's favorite recipe passed down from your mom,
From my mom, right.
Love it. All right, Karol, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, back to you, John.